Hello, Will Klein with Move Realty, and I have a great listing to share with you today. The address is 1311 Auburn Hills in St. Charles. The home is right off of Gutermuth Road, just outside of Cottleville. It's located between O'Fallon, Weldon Spring, and Cottleville in unincorporated St. Charles County. The great thing is if you've ever had interest in being part of the Cottleville golf cart community, actually Weldon Spring as well, this home allows you to kind of participate in that fun. The other great thing is just your access to highways. You're very close to the Page extension, but you'll be even closer within a year's time as they're building a new exit on Gutermuth Road. So if you work in the city, this home gives you great access to get to those highways. The home itself is a 4-bedroom, 3-bath home. You have 4 full bedrooms upstairs, you have a full bath upstairs, and you have a finished lower level. The lower level is great. Currently it has a pool table in it, which is negotiable in this deal. The backyard is well manicured, but it's a nice small yard, so it's not a lot of lawn mowing. Easy to care for. It is a fenced yard, so if you have pets or children that you don't want running everywhere, this yard's that for you. You can see a custom patio also comes with this home. Hardwood floors in the upstairs bedroom, one of the upstairs bedrooms, and throughout the lower level. The other thing is just great views out the back window. Birds love this backyard, so bird watching is fun right from your any chair in the living room or the dining room. For more information about this beautiful home in Cottleville area, call Will Klein at 636-233-8334, and our team looks forward to showing this home to you. Thank you.